The third noble truth of the extinction of suffering. What now is the noble truth of the extinction of suffering? It is the complete fading away and extinction of this craving, its forsaking and giving up, the liberation and detachment from it. But where may this craving vanish? Where may it be extinguished? Whatever in the world that is delightful and pleasurable, there this craving may vanish. There it may be extinguished, be it in the past, present, or future. Whosoever of the monks or priests regards the delightful and pleasurable things in the world as impermanent, miserable, and without an ego, as a disease and cancer, it is he who overcomes the craving, and released from sensual craving, released from the craving for existence, he does not return, does not enter again into existence. Well, in some mythologies, you hear the idea about in your time of dying. Well, if you're clinging to these things, the who, what, where, when, and why, and all that, you kind of drag. But when you realize that you're not the body, then you don't drag. And you don't have to worry about, and you've lived with that sort of consciousness, you could say. It's a little bit more complex than that, right? But then you don't go to the hell realms, which are represented by the having to deal with the issues of life. You know, because people say, oh, well, you go to hell by reincarnating as a tree or reincarnating as a pig or whatever.